Yeah.
The Light That Fed the Sun, poem by Lenny Martin. I am the light, reckless in the flight from the sun, believing I could burn alone.
I dance on the sea's restless bank, cast myself up on mirrors, thinking I could glow without the fire that bore me.
But darkness came, arriving not as a storm, but as a silence. I shivered, calling for my mother. Son, where have you gone?
The moon sighed. I am but the warm glow on what you left behind. The stars whispered. Without the sun, I am only dust adrift in the void.
And I know that I'm the light, but without my sword, I'm nothing but the shadow of my own London. Padang, West Matra, Indonesia, 2019.